Natal, Maris? Maris, Natal? Okay, Natal, Maris. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. So the mouse will not poop and will not pee on your toys. You need to clean up. Yes, and put everything where you put. I will put it here. Here. Okay. Clean up, clean up. Good job, Amari. Mouse, don't get inside her business. She's cleaning up her toys. Mm. Clean up, clean up. What? What happened? What happened? Oh. Yung kay Marie, put it there. Yung kanyang potty. The potty. Yes, put it there. Put it down. Good job. And the bean, Marie. Wow. You put it under the chair. And the bean, put it back there. Careful. Careful. Slowly lang. Oh, slowly lang. Good job, Marie. Thank you, Marie. And then the kitchen. It's back, the table. Okay, careful, Marie. And the doctor. What? There's more. Okay. What else? The baby doll. Where will you put the baby doll? You will see it? You will see it? Okay. Go. Lagi na naman yung start mo, Amari. Nothing, nothing. Nothing, Amari. Okay. Mom's almost done na rin. Thanks for cleaning up this one. It's cooking again. I'm having one in the head. Ah, there. There. Okay, there. There. Okay, yes. You will sit now. You will sit beside baby. Okay, here. Where's your bottle? Sir. Yeah. There you go. No. No.
Ito mga mariipit ka na. Bantay na sila?
What? Oh, wait. What? Ayaw ko niya katabi? Baby. Amari wants to sleep beside you.
Ate Amari.
Ay, Ate Amari. It's okay, Amari. It's okay, baby. What? Oh, very good, baby. Good job, baby. You share your pillow with Ate Amari. Good job.